Hey there, are you having trouble with Cash App not verifying your identity? Fear not, as today we're diving into a complete guide on how to Cash App not verifying identity. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate the verification process and start using Cash App to its full potential. Step 1. Ensure accurate information. The first step in fixing Cash App not verifying identity is to ensure all the information you're providing is accurate and matches your government-issued ID. Double check the spelling of names, dates of birth, and your social security number. Inconsistencies or typos can easily lead to verification issues. Make sure to use a clear and well-lit image of your ID to help the system recognize the document correct. Step 2. Update the Cash App. In many cases, problems with verification arise due to outdated app versions. Go to your device's app store and check if there's an update available for Cash App. By keeping your app up to date, you'll benefit from the latest features and security improvements, which might resolve any identity verification issues you're experiencing. Step 3. Secure a stable internet connection. A poor internet connection can interfere with the verification process on Cash App. Make sure you're connected to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. If you're in a crowded area or experiencing connection issues, try moving to a different location or restarting your device to reset your internet connection. Step 4. Follow up on pending verification. If your Cash App verification is still pending, don't hesitate to follow up. Open Cash App and navigate to your profile. Check the status of your verification under Personal or ID verification. Follow any additional instructions provided by Cash App. Sometimes a simple confirmation can be what's needed to move the process forward. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried all of the above and are still facing issues, it's time to contact Cash App support. Use the app to navigate to the support section where you can report your verification issue. Be concise yet detailed in explaining your problem and include any relevant screenshots or error message. Cash App support will provide you with the guidance to solve your issue. Step 6. Explore Cash App resource. Cash App offers several resources that can aid you in troubleshooting identity verification. Visit the Cash App website or help section within the app for FAQs and detailed guides on common issues. These resources are invaluable for resolving many concerns without additional assistance. That wraps up our guide on how to fix Cash App not verifying identity. By ensuring accurate information, updating your app, maintaining a stable internet connection, following up on pending verifications, contacting customer support, and exploring Cash App's resources, you'll be equipped to resolve verification issues with ease. Remember, a verified Cash App account unlocks all the services features, from sending and receiving money to investing in stocks and Bitcoin. So tackle these steps and get back to utilizing one of the quickest, easiest finance apps out there. Safe transactions and happy spending.